Well, it seems that Santa's gotten some last-minute Christmas wishes. Let's see what they are. Dear Santa, I'm a good commercial banker and I want to put dollars in my pocket. Signed, Johnny Cash. Dear Santa, I'm a really good therapist and would love to improve my psychic income. Signed, Fritz Freud. Dear Santa, I work for a very good staffing agency and I am looking for a great source of referrals for my clientele. Signed, Joe Job Source. Dear Santa, I'm a realtor in the DFW Metroplex and I'm looking for a group to work with that is like a family. Signed, Ron the Realtor. Dear Santa, I'm a criminal lawyer and I really like help to become a better public speaker. Signed, Johnny Law. Well, kids, I've got the answer to all your Christmas wishes. If you want more dollars in your pocket, if you want to be a better public speaker, if you want your group to be like a family, if you want to be a source of referrals for your customers, and finally, if you want better psychic income, join LeTip Dallas Zoom meeting January 6th at 11:30, and Merry Christmas.